Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Crash of iron ore prices in international markets. Per ton price drops to $50 for a 58 grade ore. Business becoming non-profitable, say experts. Fatal accidents kills one at Warpoint. Car hits motorbike, co-rider critical. Four-wheeler driver arrested. A girl killed in another accident at Kare. Traffic jam at Zuari Bridge once again after an accident involving a tempo truck. Poor traffic management. People stranded on bridge for long hours. Children's Court sentences Dr. Zelio Di Mello to 3-year imprisonment for wrongful confinement and voluntarily causing hurt to a minor. Suspends his sentence for 3 weeks to appeal in High Court. SAG gives more time to Goa Cricket Association to counter derecognition threat. GCA legal advisor says managing committee meeting was illegal. And FC Goa paid for missed opportunities, says Zico Brazilian coach slams Atletico de Kolkata coach for shameful conduct. Great feeling for Kevin Lobo on homecoming. Now the news in detail. Prices of iron ore at international market have collapsed. Prices have dropped up to $50 a ton for a 58 grade ore. Indeed, production of iron ore and its transportation cost total to almost $48 a ton. The iron ore price is just $50. A mining company can earn a mere $2 a ton. Experts expect the prices of iron ore to remain at rock bottom for at least another 2 years. A big concern for the local mining industry. Watch report.
Iron ore prices in international market have crashed. Presently, 58 grade iron ore will fetch just $50 a ton. Export duty cost $15 per ton. Transportation freight cost $25 per ton. Production cost $8 per ton. Total cost is $48 per ton. The prices of 58 grade iron ore in the international market is just $50. It means trader or mining companies can earn a net profit of just $2 on the exported ore. The situation has been worrying for the companies who have participated in the previous e-auctions. Many of these companies could not export the ore due to low prices in the international market. Moreover, Africa, Australia and Brazil have begun production of medium and low-grade iron ore. These markets are growing as an alternative to the low-grade Goan ore. This projection is discouraging for the Goan miners. The industry is already battling numerous legal disputes with the NGOs in various courts. The crash of prices have further aggravated the crisis. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Fatal accident in Walpoi killed one on Friday. Narayan Sargaonkar died in an accident on the spot. A car hit a motorbike. The co-rider Pandurang Harlankar is shifted to GMC with severe injuries and his condition is critical. The driver of the four-wheeler has been arrested for negligent and rash driving. In another accident at Kaye, a girl Priyanka Gopal Gaukar died on the spot after she skidded her bike in a culvert.
Accident between a Wagoner and an Activa. Accident Activa rider Narayan Sargaonkar to expire and Pandurang Harlankar to GMC treatment vela. The Wagoner Honda च्या वाळपयसाठी येताले आणि Activa वाळपयच्यान होण्यासाठी येताले. Wagoner मातसो बाडयलो आणि ॲक्सिडेंट जालो. तो Wagonerच्या ड्रायव्हराक आमी ताब्यात घेतलो.
पूर्व एकदम सगळ्या कामांनी हुशार आसलो. फुटबॉल प्लेयर आसलो तो. तसोच कलाकार आसा आणि असो गांवांत सगळ्यांक मन मेळावो असो भुरगो आयज आमकां खूब दुख्ख दिसता. तेज्या वांगडा आसलो तो तेजो भाचो तो PTSन रिक्रुटमेंट सोसायटी अंडर ट्रेनिंगाक आसलो. तो सीक आहा म्हणून तेका तो व्हरपाक डॉक्टरा कडेन येयल्लो प्रायवेट डॉक्टरा कडेन आनी ते परमिशन घेवन तो तेका प्रायवेट डॉक्टरा कडेन व्हरतालो. व्हरता आसतना वाटेक एक्सिडेंट जालो.
Meanwhile, SEC student Priyanka Gaukar died on the spot in self-accident at Kale Sanghe.
Injured person
while returning from the school at her residence. When reached at Mairavado, she lost her control on her bike and fell down into the culvert and injured. Thereafter, we conducted the scene of Panchanama at the spot and came to the hospital at PSC Sangil, where we came to know that from the doctor deceased brought death to the PSC Sangil.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Zuari Bridge was yet again blocked on Friday evening. Stretch leading to Vasco from Panji route and vice versa was blocked. There was an accident of a tempo truck which led to the blockade. Traffic police arrived at the site after a long time. But even after presence of traffic personnel, traffic was not cleared. People were anxious as they would miss their flights. This incident has once again underlined the urgent need of another bridge on Zuari River on priority.
Have a look at these visuals. This is the jam on Zuari Bridge. It was a small accident involving a tempo truck. This led to massive traffic jam on the bridge. Route leading to Vasco was jammed for almost half an hour. Initially, there was no traffic police to manage the traffic. The traffic was paralyzed within few minutes. Later, the traffic personnel arrived at the spot, but it took them long time to clear the route.
Brandon, could you tell us what is exactly happening at Zuari Bridge?
Well, there was a minor accident on the bridge involving a small tempo truck, and the police, they couldn't guide the traffic, and there was a long traffic jam.
Okay.
And as per me, I think so the police could easily clear the tempo truck. They could just drag it out, but they delayed it by a long time, and there was a huge traffic jam in the process. And this is not the first time that it has happened. This is the second time it's happening to me.
Correct.
And the first time we missed our flight, I think the police should deal with accidents on the bridge more efficiently, because the police station is barely a kilometer away from the bridge.
There were no traffic police there?
There were traffic police. They came after half an hour after the traffic jam took place. So there was a huge delay in the police dealing with the matter.
People got panicked as some were traveling to the airport. They got anxious as they would miss their scheduled flights. Later in the evening, traffic was regulated and there was smooth vehicular traffic. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Statue of late Matani Saldana was unveiled on Friday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Environment Minister and late Matani's wife Alina Saldana, along with others, were present for the ceremony. Followers of Matani were also seen in large numbers. Late Matani was the leader of traditional fishermen. Though it rained on Friday evening while the statue was unveiled, people in large number gathered at Kasauli Market Square. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.